Can someone please tell me what the lowest rank in the military is? Every time I ask somebody, they tell me it's private. You're welcome.
Serving in the Army in 2012, Jeremy met Ashley. They got married, had baby Sam. Jeremy got medically released from the Army, and this brings us up to today.
Happy Father's Day to Jeremy. We're at a Mediterranean restaurant celebrating Father's Day. It's pretty neat. Different. Love it though. Now that we're done eating, we're gonna enjoy a walk. Where are we?
Rockwood Park.
At a place called Rockwood Park in St. John, New Brunswick. So we'll walk off all that Mediterranean food we just ate.
We're enjoying our in-between time.
Yes, we are. Finally, some relaxation time.
Yeah.
It's nice. She ran all the way up here. Now she's sitting, taking a break. Way to go! Phil.
Give me that.
Oh, hi. Hello. Yeah, hello. Hello, baby. What's he doing? Oh my goodness. Right here, look, there's even a duck. Hello. Got pigeons and ducks and chipmunks. Oh, that's funny. Well, that was a beautiful walk. Right, Dad? Right, Daddy?
Yes, it was. Very nice. Very nice walk.
Good Father's Day walk.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Now we'll head back to the camper because Sam wants to go for a swim.
Yeah.
Jeremy enjoyed a nice Father's Day. Now it's the next morning and I'm out for an early morning walk here at the campground. Tomorrow, Sam starts summer camp. Just one of the bonuses of being closer is that she can actually go to a camp for the summer. So she'll be gone 2 days a week from 8 to 5, which will be crazy for us. It'll be weird not having her at home with us, but she'll probably love it. Welcome to my new home for the time being. Hopefully not too long. Jeremy's building another house. He's on cat house duty today.
I'm helping.
We need the cats to be happy. They're scratching some of our leather furniture. That's why you see blankets everywhere behind you.
And I'm helping.
Jeremy and Sam are going to build them a new cat house.
Sam.
Yeah. Black. Are you excited? Ah! She's attacking Black. Yeah. Get her.
So
That's not part of your new house. That's your sister. What the heck? Oh, there goes Black. Here you go, buddy. Oh, yeah, trash the new house. So Jeremy enjoyed a really great Father's Day weekend, and happy belated Father's Day to all the fathers out there watching us. So we wanted to just let you know some really great news is that we did end up getting an accepted offer on that house that we showed you. So we're really excited about that. And the nice thing about this place, like the closing date will be July 28th if everything continues to go smoothly. So there's just a few things obviously now that need to be done that we have an accepted offer. And closing July 28th, which is still like, you know, kind of in the middle of summer, which gives us a lot of time to complete some more projects before the winter time. So we'll be able to either build the garage or build the woodshed, whatever it is we choose to do. Moving July 28th isn't too late in the year to start one of those projects, so we're really excited about that. And the location is key. So being in that location, Sam can do her camps and swimming lessons or dance or whatever it is that she wants to do, because it's a lot closer to all those things. It's way closer for doctor's appointments for both Jeremy and myself. Lots of great plans for that new place. So we're really just excited to get into this house and, you know, start making it our own, building the garage and the woodshed, and just going forward with our lives. So thanks for coming along and watching, and have a good one.
Nothing is over! You just don't turn it off!
Just one more thing.
We got it.
What?
We got the house.
What?
All the conditions were met. We move in July 28th.
Yes! 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 Yo, Adrian! I did it!
Baby, we done it. Break out the red panties.
Woo!
In case I don't see ya. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.